Hey Dad.
Yes?
I was thinking, we should go to the park.
Good idea.
Great.
Then let's go to the park.
Okay.
When they got to the park,
We're here.
Yes.
Go have fun.
That playground looks fun. I am going on the slide. 3, 2, 1. That was fun. Monkey bars.
after she plays in the playground,
I am done.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's go home.
when they got home,
Stephanie Cat, you did such a good job at the park today. Just for that, you are ungrounded for life. You can do whatever you want to do.
Thank you, Dad.
You are welcome.